Dear students, we are with the classification of plants. We have already discussed about artificial system classification. Now we have also discussed natural system classification. And third one, it is the phylogenetic system of classification. It is the phylogenetic system. In order to find out evolutionary relationship, sum total of all the characters or features from different fields of biology are taken into consideration. Like, yet much characters nivan आगे morphological character morphological characters are features. Second, physiological features. Third, embryological features. Fourth, genetical features, or you can say genetic features, or genetical, it is genetic features. It is genetic features. Fourth is genetic features. Fifth one is behavioral features. Sixth one is biochemical features. Seventh one is ecological features. All these characters are taken into consideration so as to find out its genetic and evolutionary relationship. And that new branch of biology that's called as cladistics or phylogeny or phylogenetic relationship. And it gave a new branch of biology. A new branch of biology comes into existence that's called as new systematics or biosystematics. And father of biosystematic is Julian Huxley. Yeah, classification has various characters into consideration ये जानने खतर अत क्या genetic to evolution relationship in order to find out pedigree. Pedigree वन शजरे नस्ब शजरे नस्ब जानने खतर ancestry अमिश क्या ancestry. And in this system, first classification was proposed by, it was A.W. Eckler. First system in this classification was proposed by A.W. Eckler, who divided all plants, who divide this kingdom, plant kingdom, into two major divisions. First you have cryptogamy, second you have phanerogamy. Cryptogamy, also called as flowerless and seedless plants. Flowerless and seedless plants. And second, phanerogamy, flowering and seeded plants. Flowering and seeded plants. And cryptogamy is again further divided into three types. Number one, thylophytes, thylophyta, lacking perfect root and shoot system. Second is somewhat advanced than bryophytes. You have the group called as bryophyta. We call them as amphibians of plant kingdom. Amphibians of plant kingdom. And third group you have, that is pteridophyta. So has first vascular plants on land. First vascular plants. Then this thylophyta is again divided into two types. One is algae and second one is lichens. And in case of phanerogamy, it is divided into two types. First is gymnosperms, also called as naked seeded plants. Naked seeded plants. And last one you have angiosperms. Angiosperms, also called as flowering plants. Flowering plants. Enveloped seeded plants. I would say closed seeded plants. And angiosperms are further divided into two types on the basis of number of cotyledons in seeds. One is called dicots. Dicots or dicotyledons, having two cotyledons in seeds. And last one is you have monocots, having single cotyledon. This is the classification proposed by A.W. Eckler, wherein he divided this kingdom, plant kingdom, into two groups. First is cryptogamy, second is phanerogamy. Cryptogamy again divided into three types. One is thylophyta, second is bryophyta, and third one is teratophyta. Whereas phanerogamy is divided into two types. One is gymnosperm, other one is angiosperm. Thylophytes are those plants which lacking perfect root system and shoot system, and bryophytes are somewhat advanced than thylophytes, and teratophytes are somewhat advanced than bryophytes. It's followed by, and phanerogamy is divided into gymnosperms, which are those plants which have naked seeds. They don't have ovary, that's we call them as ovary-less plants. And last one is angiosperms, also called as flowery plants. It is divided into two types: dicots, having two cotyledons in seed, and monocotyledons, monocots having single cotyledon, called as scutellum. And this was the first classification system proposed by, and on the basis of this system, A.W. Eckler said that algae, which is in the thylophyta, it is considered to be most primitive and simple type of plants, whereas angiosperms are considered to be most advanced and recent types of plants. This was about the A.W. Eckler system. Then another classification is also phylogenetic one. It is proposed by Engler and Prentice. He renamed this plant kingdom as Embryophyta, Siphonogamia, Siphonogamia. Instead of plant kingdom, he renamed it as Embryophyta Siphonogamia, and he divided this into two subdivisions. One is gymnospermy, subdivisions, and second one is angiospermy. Gymnospermy are divided into 7 classes, whereas angiospermy is divided into only 2 classes, just like in case of Eckler system: dicots and monocots. And on the basis of this system, plants are divided on the basis of their evolutionary relationship, on the basis of their phylogeny, so as to find out their evolutionary relationship. With this, we complete classification of plants. Inshallah, next time we will come with the next topic. Till then,